It's time to make more money from crypto trading. With the explosive growth of the cryptocurrency market and the surge in interest from institutional investors and large corporations, the future of digital assets looks promising. But with prices fluctuating rapidly and the market remaining highly volatile, how can investors make informed decisions? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the latest price moves in the crypto markets and explore the potential rewards and risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Join us as we navigate the exciting world of digital assets and uncover the secrets to successful cryptocurrency investing. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the latest price moves in the cryptocurrency market for April 13, 2023. Over the past few years, the crypto market has experienced tremendous growth, attracting more investors and corporations, and driving up the value of digital assets. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has been leading the market, with Ethereum emerging as a strong competitor. However, the market remains highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly, making it crucial for investors to conduct thorough research and exercise caution before investing in any cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be exploring the current state of the crypto market and what experts predict for the future of digital assets. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market has seen tremendous growth and attention over the past few years, with an increasing number of people investing in digital assets. The market has also seen a surge in interest from institutional investors and large corporations, which has helped to drive up prices and increase the overall value of the market. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has been the driving force behind the cryptocurrency market, with its value increasing by over 700% in 2021 alone. Despite the recent slight decline in its value, many experts and investors believe that Bitcoin still has significant potential for growth and could continue to rise in value over the long term. Ethereum, on the other hand, has emerged as a strong competitor to Bitcoin, with many investors and traders now considering it to be the next big thing in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum's blockchain technology allows for the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts, making it an attractive option for businesses and developers. Despite the positive sentiment surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum, the cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly within short periods. This is why it's important for investors to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are numerous other cryptocurrencies that have gained popularity among investors and traders. One such cryptocurrency is Dogecoin, which was created as a joke but has since gained a massive following and experienced significant price swings in recent months. Binance Coin, BNB, is another altcoin that has been performing well in the market, thanks in part to the success of the Binance exchange. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and the success of its exchange has helped to drive up the value of BNB. Despite the mixed sentiment among investors regarding the latest price moves in the crypto markets, many experts believe that the long-term outlook for digital assets is positive. With the increasing adoption of blockchain technology and the growing interest from institutional investors, the cryptocurrency market is poised for continued growth and could play a significant role in the global financial system in the future. However, it's important for investors to remain cautious and conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency, as the market remains highly volatile and unpredictable. Investors should also ensure that they have a solid understanding of the underlying technology behind each digital asset, as well as the risks and potential rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. And that wraps up our discussion on the latest price moves in the crypto markets. As we've seen, the cryptocurrency market is an ever-evolving landscape, with Bitcoin and Ethereum continuing to be the front-runners in the space. But with so many altcoins and emerging blockchain technologies, it's important to stay informed and cautious before investing in any digital assets. Remember to conduct thorough research, understand the underlying technology, and consider the risks and potential rewards before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.